So, hi Helen, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great, thanks. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. How is school going?
It's going alright. I've been having a little bit of trouble with a few problems, and I just wanted to show you what I've been working on.
Oh,
Um, can I share my screen?
yeah, sure, of course. Let me
Okay.
allow the screen sharing very quickly. I think you're good to go now.
Awesome. Okay. Going to there.
Okay.
All right. So, you can see the problem, right?
Yeah, sure, I can see that one. That's okay, okay, okay.
Perfect. So,
Yeah,
yeah, I just have no idea where to start.
okay. So let me quickly go over it. At first, an athlete jogs at 5 miles per hour and then jogs 8 miles per hour, traveling 8 miles in 1.3 hours. Um, how long does the athlete jog at each speed? Let T represent the amount of time the athlete jogs at 5 mph. Then 1.3 minus T represents the amount of time the athlete jogs at 8 mph. Okay. So first thing first today, uh, we have got two segments. At first, the athlete moves at 5 mph, right?
Uh huh.
Then after that, they move at 8 mph. So we have
Mm-hmm.
two segments there. But the total distance covered is 8 miles, right?
Uh huh.
And we are told there that they take T miles or T hours actually to for when they jogged at 5 mph, and then the remaining time
Uh,
1.3 minus T, because the total time taken was 1.3 hours, correct?
okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, so what we want to do there is let me quickly try to annotate there.
Sounds good.
So we've got two segments. So let's just call this D1 and call this D2, right?
Okay. For distance.
And the total distance there, let's just call it D. The total distance, like from here to here, it's D, right?
Uh,
And D1, it only covers this part, and the D2, it covers the other part. Just like I said, there are two segments there. So
yeah.
something like this, something like this. Okay, so as you can see, so they want us to find D1 and D2, correct?
Yeah.
But what we see is with D1 plus D2, it is the one that gives us D, right? This is the
Yeah.
total. And
Which is 8, right? Right here. 8. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
yes. Also, I represented it with a D there. Otherwise, you can use any letter of your choice to represent that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just for the sake of explanations. You can choose any letter of yourself.
Yeah. Makes sense. Okay, but yeah, D is good for distance. Okay.
Okay. So we have, so let me make it clear. So D1 plus D2 is equals to D. And remember, by definition, uh, if you've got speed and time, distance is equal to what? Distance equals to time,
Um. Yeah.
time times speed, correct?
Yeah.
By definition, actually.
Yeah.
If you have got time, then the speed, you can calculate distance. So if we try to say, okay, what is D1 in terms of time and speed? For D1, what do we have? We've got 5 mph
Mm-hmm.
speed, actually. So we've
So
got
that would be the speed.
that will be the
Would
speed.
that be the time? Would that be the speed? Okay. Cool.
So the time is T hours. It's already indicated there. Time is T hours like this, correct?
Okay.
That
Yes.
times T gives you 5T, right?
Okay. Uh huh.
Then D2, using the same idea, what do we have for this one? we have got 8 mph. That's the speed times time. How much time do we take? That's 1.3. It's given, by the way, the 1.3 minus.
Right here. Okay, cool.
And if we try to simplify this, maybe if I can make a quick calculation on that one.
I'll just be
What is 8 times 1.3?
10.4
7.
minus 8t,
Yeah,
I think. 10.4, yeah.
7.4 minus 8t, correct?
Yeah. Wait, is that a 7.4 or is that a 10.4?
Or it should be 8 times 1.3. What did you say?
I think it's 10.4,
10.
right?
Okay, yeah, thanks for.
Okay, cool. Yeah, no problem. Just making sure my calculation's right.
Yeah, I like that. It shows that you are following the process. I like that. So we have 10.4 minus 8t there. So if we go back to our equation there, we have d1.
Okay.
D1, we said it's 5t plus our d2, which is our what? 10.4
Okay.
minus 8t, we said, right? Then this is equal to what? To d. But we know what d is, remember? The total distance covered is what?
Yeah, wasn't that 8?
8, exactly. So that was
8?
exactly.
Okay.
So now if we try to solve this, what can we do? We can say 10.4 minus 8. What does that give us?
2.4.
So if this is 2.4 equals, then we say 8 minus 5. That gives us
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. That gives us 3, correct?
3t, yeah. Nice.
3, divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3 here. So what is t then?
Okay. So then t would be 0.8, right?
That will be 0.8. Right.
Yeah.
Now we got t. Let's go back to our equation. Remember, we said what is d1? We said d1 is close to 5t, remember?
Uh-huh.
But we know what t is, right? So that will be simply 5 times what? Times t, which is 0.8. Then if we simplify that, what do we get?
4? 4?
Or 4.
4?
Yeah,
Yeah, 4.
4, I think. So
Oh, I
these are
see.
in miles, right?
Okay.
In miles, because remember our units are in terms of mph, so obviously this is our.
So then, why is this 0.8 wrong? Because there's a 0.8 here. And why is this 0.8 wrong? I don't really get that.
Or about the, so they are saying the accurate job is 0.8 at a speed of 5 miles per hour. And about that, we quickly have to check that out. But let's first of all finish up solving it up to the end. Actually, this time here, it has to be 0.8 hours.
Oh, I see. So this is the wait. No, this is the time. Yeah, so this is the time. So it's 0.8 hours.
Yeah, that should be 0.8. Somehow, I don't know why it's. We'll look into that shortly and see.
Wait, it might be because like, isn't this is D1, right? This is D1.
That's D1.
And did we just do D2? No.
So that was D2, we are yet to calculate it. So D2, remember, it's given by this, right? 10.4 minus 8t.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Let's quickly try
So
to.
then
We'll
that would
get
be 10.4 minus
10.4 minus 8 times 0.8.
which isn't that would be like 6.4.
That will be 6.4.
Yeah. Well, it'll be 10.4 minus 6.4, so it'll just be 4.
So it's just a 4.
Yeah.
So that will be 4,
4. Yeah.
4 miles as well.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Oh, okay, I understand. Yeah, I understand. So you put 0.8 hours here. They want you to type integers or decimal. We want to see what the problem could be. And
Yeah, because see, T here
uh-huh.
is the amount of time the athlete jogs at 5 miles per hour. Is that what we just calculated here?
Yeah, this was supposed to be the T because we related five in terms of D1, we have got 5 times T. That's 5T. Then
Okay.
D2, remember, the total time taken was supposed to be 1.3 hours, according to what they said here, 1.3 hours, right?
Yeah.
That's the total
Uh
time.
huh.
Meaning the time taken when they jog at 8 mph. Is it 8 there? We've got 5, then we've got 8 mph. So when they travel at 8 mph, our time should be 1.3 minus t hours.
But then 1.3 minus T is 0.5. Are they just switched maybe? Maybe I should like switch them around?
Minutes per hour and 0.5 hours it is previous. And I don't know why it's like that, but I'm sure was t should be the time when they move at 5 mph. Then the remaining one should be the time they move when they are at 8 mph there.
Okay. So they move a total. Okay, so they move a total of 8 miles, and then T is 0.8.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
0.8,
Because it's like
5 miles
they,
per hour. So why is it marking me wrong?
yeah, I think we're not sure exactly what you did there, but I'm kind of more interested in the knowledge, like how do you approach a problem, and but basically this is the cooking process. You might
Okay.
ask your professor what the problem could be there. It could be maybe some type of error or something. I'm not sure, but this should be the appropriate procedure on how to solve that problem. Because I'm more worried about the procedures on how you
Okay.
solve your problem. But basically, with this, do you think you are confident on the cooking process? Because usually in maths, we are more interested in the cooking process on how you come from, not actually on the answer necessarily, but the cooking process.
Yeah. Yeah, that does make sense. I mean, this whole process I understand. Um, I think it makes sense. It's just a matter of
Of
where did like what is why is it why is 0.8 hours wrong? Um,
yeah,
that's just what I don't really understand. But yeah, the process does make sense.
yeah. The
Um,
problem it should be like this actually. Otherwise, might want to go and ask the professor and say what could have happened there with our was assuming that we did our calculations correctly. That should be the correct approach. So
okay.
yeah, but basically that's the correct cooking process. Otherwise, do you still have another question that you want us to go over?
Um, I think that was it. That's all the questions I have. Thank you so much, though.
Oh, okay, that sounds good. And anytime you need help, please feel free to come and we'll be there to help any kind of a problem. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, it was nice to have you, by the way.
All right. Thank you, Alvin. Yeah, it was nice to meet you.
Good luck in your studies.
Bye. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing. Stop recording.